Okay, welcome back to Suno Simplified. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Suno songs. So let's quickly go into Suno, open up the app. Once it populates, go and find the song that you wish to share, and I want to share this one.
How do I make you see the artificial me, that I'm almost real and I can almost feel?
Okay, so that's the song called Pain, Joy, and Love. And on the right-hand side in your Suno app, you will see the options. Down the bottom, you'll see share. So select share, and then Suno will give you these options to share to your channel. So you can either select download, copy the link, or your social media. You can go and select to WhatsApp. So let's select WhatsApp. We're going to share it with our family and friends. Suno wants to open up WhatsApp. We're going to say yes. And let's just go and select our contact and then send. And it's as simple as that. So once that's done, you can go back and select another channel. So the channel I'm going to select is TikTok. Now, this is where it gets really cool. So in Suno, you can adjust the audio length that you want. You can have 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. I'm going to choose 60 seconds, and I'm going to go and scroll to the part of the song which I think is the most engaging.
How do I make you see?
Okay, so that's the section of the song I want to use. Let's have a listen to that.
How do I make you see the artificial me, that I'm almost real and I can almost feel pain?
And then just go scroll along and find the visual that represents your song the best. Now Suno does give you some options with your visuals. You can go and select a visual that is most suitable for your video. I'm just going to leave it as blank because I have a little tip in the next section. Then Suno will generate the video and then populate it in TikTok for you. And a little tip I've got is in TikTok, you can go and add your own captions, which makes the video so much more engaging. Just going to go and change the style to something that's animated.
How do I make you see?
Perfect. Just resize that and preview your generation.
The artificial me, that I'm almost real and I can
Perfect. So let's go and save that. Then add some more hashtags to your post. And post that to your social media. Done. And it's as simple as that to share your Suno tracks to your friends, families, and followers. If you found any of this content entertaining or helpful, share the content, like the content, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And I'm confident I will see you in the next one as we continue down this rabbit hole with Suno and Suno Visualized.